ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is meant to find you. Your cards are the Three of Cups and the Five of Swords. Napapansin natin dito na parang meron ditong gusto ko pang i-pursue, gusto ko pang ipagpatuloy, no? Meron man tayong mga challenges, meron man tayong mga hindi pagkakaunawaan, it doesn't mean that I am going to break with you, no? Wala naman kasing perfect na relationship. So siguro someone here might or probably already understood that misunderstanding will going to arise in the future. Nakikita natin dito na kahit meron ng hindi pagkakaunawaan, parang I still want to be with you even on those hard times, no? Sino ba kumanta nito? It seems like everything. I don't want to be lonely fool. Ano woman? All the expensive cars. Sorry, bawal palang kumanta sa YouTube. Baka maano tayo. Ang tawag doon, yung copyright, no? I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. So parang ganun yung nagiging drama. Parang okay lang meron tayong challenges kaysa nung may kasama akong iba, hindi naman ako masaya, no? Syempre, hindi rin masaya na meron tayong challenges. Mas maganda meron tayong harmony. The judgments, ito yung sinasabi natin na parang decided itong person na ito or nakikita niya yung sarili niya with you, no? Visioning the future na kasama ka. So, hindi ito yung parang dahil lang dito sa challenge na ito, matitibag tayong dalawa. I feel like meron dito talagang deep na emotion, no? Na pinanggagalingan nitong, kasi nandito yung certainty na ikaw yung gusto kong makasama, di ba? So, the Two of Cups noon pa man, mahal na. So, ibig sabihin, either nagsisimula pa lang, or bago kayo maging kayo, no? Nandun na yung vision na etong taong to, seseryosohin ko, etong taong to, gusto kong makasama sa habang buhay, no? Ito yung pakakasalan ko or magiging nanay ng mga anak ko or magiging tatay ng mga anak ko, no? So, with the Two of Cups, yung strong foundation ng love, nakita na natin, buong-buo na. Now, with the Empress, oo nga naman, kasi nakikita naman natin dito, baka kasi may problema lang, are we going to have a child already? Or kahit wala naman siguro, I'm okay with it. No, parang sinasabi dito na with or without a child, no, I am willing to be with you. Siguro yung isa dito nahihiya kasi I can't bear, no? Or parang sabihin natin merong problema sa reproductive organs, no? Or reproductive malfunctions. So this may be a little hard not topic to discuss, but then again, halos nasa kalagitnaan na tayo ng reading. Ituloy na natin. I don't mean to offend someone. Ito yung lumabas. Nakita nyo naman, nagsha-shuffle tayo, no? Ito yung energy na na-pick up. So, I'm going to be as sensitive as I can. I'm open for what do you call this? Constructive criticism, if I may say different things, no? Every day is a learning process. I may have a different opinion, than yours, which I feel like hindi naman ako palaging tama, no? Pwede nyo akong i-correct. Lalo na sa mga medical terms because I am not medically trained. I'm more into spiritual. But either way, let's go back to the reading. Basta yung criticism constructive ha. Wala yung, bakla ka kasi kaya ka iniwan ng tatay mo. Parang, hoy, ang layo naman. Walang ganon. No, mag-stick lang tayo doon sa reading. Now, with the Empress, hindi ako iniwan ng tatay ko. Kasama ko pa tatay ko. The Empress is, parang ito nga, I can't bear with you. I can't bear to have a child. So, whether this is the guy might have the problem or the lady might have the problem. No? The Hierophant, parang kasi naman meron dito, sinasabi ng isa na tanggap kita, the Hierophant. No? Tanggap ko kung ano yung nangyayari. Ang ginusto ko, ikaw. No? It may be a plus for someone to sabihin natin, it may be a plus for someone to have a child. Of course, kumbaga, many, karamihan, wants to build a family, no? Pero meron din naman it's okay, no? Marami tayong paraan. Pero kasi ang sinasabi dito, with or without a, what do you call this, a child, I am still gonna be with you. Nandito yung Hierophant, no? At pakakasalan kita, or kumbaga, kung hindi pa kasal, ikaw yung nakikita kong yung future eh. Baka kasi nahihiya lang mag-open, no, itong person. The Queen of Hazards. So parang feeling niya, I am kulang, no? Just because you cannot bear a child, I don't think that is pwede mong sabihin pagkukulang. Mahirap kasi kung i-compare ko yung trans woman or woman, hindi naman din talaga magkakaanak, wala silang matres. Well, parang gano'n siguro yung nafe-feel niya. I don't feel complete because I wasn't able to bear a child. Ito yung kasi nakikita natin, the Queen of Hazard, I supposed to have everything, but only this matter, no? Kaya parang feeling ko, at nakita mo naman yung Queen of Hazards, parang feeling niya incomplete. The Queen of Cups, siguro kasi meron ding mga nagsasabi na, ay masyado ka kasi narcissist, mahal mo yung sarili mo. You know what? Meron talaga din may mga choice, di ba? Yun nga lang, medyo, minsan yung gusto magkaanak, hindi mabigyan ng anak. Yung iba naman, may capability pero ayaw. No? But we cannot judge them, di ba? There are, kanya-kanyang trip yan eh. As long as wala siguro tinatapakan tao, I think that is much better, no? Parang sabi naman dito, with the Eight of Cups, kasi parang, pag sinabi ko to, baka mawala yung feelings. So, okay. Naintindihan naman natin yung ganitong situation. Pero with the Star, mas lalo kang hahanga. Nakita nyo, nagsashuffle ako, With the Star, parang mas lalo kang hahanga, mas lalo kang mamahalin because you're becoming so brave to parang sabihin yung kung ano yung wala sa'yo, pero parang kaya naman eh. Not probably bearing a child, pwede naman din siguro mag-ampon, no? In vitro can be, no? Medical, or scientific, natural hindi pwede, pero social pwede siguro yung pag-aampon, no? Pero ang bottom line dito with the Star, you're gonna be, kung nakaka-resonate ka dito na, you're gonna be praised by your person kasi hindi mo nilihim sa kanya at walang nagbago. In fact, mas lalong humanga dahil ba't ako naiiyak? Mas humanga kasi ginamit mo yun kasi hindi ako magkakaanak. Sasabihin, magkakaanak ka doon sa babae. Ayoko nga. So, huwag niyo akong pilitin doon sa babae. Nangingilabot ako. No, I mean, wala akong sa babae. I mean, gumawa ng bata sa babae. I mean, parang hindi ko kakayanin, no? Either way, with the star, parang sasabi dito na saludo ako sa'yo, no, for becoming a strong woman or a man that you are. So, this is your reading, but para kung naiiyak talaga, deep breath. Madami pa tayong gagawin. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Pero bago ko sabihin yung zodiac sign, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong sa reading na ito, sa description box ng video, meron doong link ng aking website. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, and amount per question. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign. I'm seeing Aquarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn, Libra, Taurus, Cancer. Libra nandito. So, yan. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.